Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the card format and that your reader or laptop supports SD, SDHC, or SDXC. This prevents file system issues. Next, use a micro SD adapter when required and hold the card by its edges to avoid damage. Plug the USB or built-in reader into a powered port, then gently insert the card until it clicks. Once done, give the laptop a moment to recognize the device so the operating system can mount the card and assign a drive letter. You now open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac to locate the newly mounted drive. This is how you access photos, videos, or documents. Drag and drop works well for a few files because it's quick and visual, but for large transfers, use a dedicated copy utility to resume interrupted transfers and verify integrity. Make sure to watch transfer progress and avoid powering down. If you plan to edit RAW or video files, copy them to internal storage first for performance and stability. You finish by safely ejecting the card using the system eject control. This flushes caches and prevents file corruption. If the card doesn't appear, try another USB port, a different reader, or open disk utility or device manager to see unmounted volumes. Once done, test the card in your camera to rule out reader faults. If problems persist, back up any readable files, then reformat the card with the correct file system, or use recovery tools for corrupted data as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.